Come on down next Wednesday at YOUmedia for the comic book podcast. We can talk about things like Disney, Marvel Comics, Spider-Man, and more.
Yo, man, y'all pop out this week, man. Come down this week. We finna work on digital design, on 3D words to our videos, man. Y'all come this week, right now.
Hey, guys, come on down for YOUmedia Drop the Mic to share your talents, your skills, anything that you have hidden away. Come show it at our Drop the Mic. Come on through.
You can't DJ without music, so come down to Intro to DJ, where you can build your own library to DJ.
What's going on, guys? This week on Monday, we are closed because it is Labor Day. So hang out with your family, do something fun, make sure you guys enjoy one another. But the next day, we're actually open, more workshops for you, so come through. Peace.
What's up, guys? My name is Brian, and on this week's digital design workshop, we're going to learn how to do lower thirds. Come on by, check it out.